Hello friends, how are you doing? This is your TechTuber Rahul back with another video. फ्रेंड्स मैंने अपनी लास्ट वीडियो में जैसे बताया कि मैंने मैक मिनी M1 एप्पल स्टोर से ऑनलाइन ऑर्डर किया और मुझे कितना डिस्काउंट मिला। बट उस वीडियो में मैंने ये शेयर नहीं किया था कि मैंने क्या प्रोसेस फॉलो की एंड हाउ आई कुड अवेल दैट डिस्काउंट। दो आई टोल्ड यू पीपल कि मैंने जो डिस्काउंट पाया था वो एक स्टूडेंट डिस्काउंट था जो एप्पल की तरफ से ऑफिशियली स्टूडेंट्स और एजुकेशन स्टाफ मेंबर्स को दिया जाता है। स्टार्ट करने से पहले मैं आप लोगों को थोड़ा ब्रीफ कर दूं। जो एप्पल का ये प्रोग्राम है स्टूडेंट डिस्काउंट, दिस इज़ कंट्रोल्ड बाय अ थर्ड पार्टी। आपको खुद एक स्टूडेंट या स्टाफ मेंबर होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। आप किसी रिलेटिव, फ्रेंड, कज़न की डिटेल्स यूज़ कर सकते हैं एंड देन ऑल्सो यू कैन परचेज द प्रोडक्ट। All you just need to do is fill in the details which are genuine. There will be no problem if details are not of your own, rather if they are of your relative. Also, it is not necessary that the account and the details of students you are filling in has to be the person to pay for the product. आप अपने नाम से बिलिंग करा सकते हैं, किसी और के नाम से करा सकते हैं। ज़रूरी नहीं है कि बिलिंग उस पर्सन के नाम से होगी जिसके नाम से आप स्टूडेंट डिटेल्स फिल करके ये डिस्काउंट अवेल करना चाह रहे हैं। ऑल्सो ये जो प्रोसेस है स्टूडेंट डिस्काउंट अवेल करने की, दो ऑप्शंस के साथ आती है। आप या तो एक थर्ड पार्टी के थ्रू स्टूडेंट डिटेल्स वेरीफाई करा सकते हैं। उस थर्ड पार्टी का नाम है यूनिडेज। जैसे ही आप वो ऑप्शन सेलेक्ट करेंगे तो आप यूनिडेज की साइट पे चले जाएंगे, जहाँ पे जो जो प्रोसेस है वो आपको मैं अभी वीडियो में शेयर करूँगा। अगर आप वो ऑप्शन नहीं चूज़ करना चाहते हैं तो आप स्टूडेंट आइडेंटिटी डायरेक्टली एप्पल के थ्रू, आइदर थ्रू चैट और थ्रू फ़ोन कॉल, आप स्टूडेंट आईडी वेरीफाई करा सकते हैं। मैं इस वीडियो में वेरिफिकेशन थ्रू यूनिडेज विच इज़ अ थर्ड पार्टी वो शेयर करने जा रहा हूँ। I did not follow the verification process which Apple does. I don't know about the exact process and what Apple asks for if you want to verify through Apple itself. But if you ask my opinion, going through Unidays, it was really smooth. So without further ado, let's get started. फ्रेंड्स, सबसे पहले आपको जो लिंक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाला है उस पर क्लिक करना होगा, जो आपको डायरेक्टली एप्पल एजुकेशन प्राइसिंग स्टोर पे लेके जाएगा। स्पेसिफिकली दिस एजुकेशन प्राइसिंग डिस्काउंट इज फॉर मैक्स and iPads only. Click shop the Apple Store for education and you will reach this page. Over here you can see the two options. One is verifying through Unidays जो ऊपर दिया गया है, और जो नीचे ऑप्शन है that is verifying through Apple. We want to verify through Unidays. You will be directed to Unidays site after clicking get started. So let's assume you are a new user and you are registering for the first time. Click on continue button. If you are already registered, you can fill in your email address and password and directly log in. But let's assume you are a new user, so click on join now button. Over here you will have to fill in all your details. I again clarify the details of email ID need not to be those of the students whose details are using for verification. As you fill in all of those details, you will reach on this page. Now here you have to fill in the details of the student in whose name you are availing discount. Once you fill in and click continue, you will reach this page. Over here you have to put in the institution name, and the site already has the database of all the universities in India. So the university names will populate in the drop down on its own. You just select the right institution and now you have one option. If your institution provides email address, you have to click on send email button. Since most of Indian institutions don't provide email address, so you need to click on support button. So over here you have two options. One is my institution email address is invalid, which is not the case. Another option is I don't have an institution email address. So this is the situation and that's why we created on support button. So you just select I don't have an institution email address, click verify using documentation. Now once you reach this step, you have two options. If you have the institution's photo ID card, you can upload its pictures of the front and the back and then do the verification process. And if in case you don't have the photo ID card as well, there is another process. So let's go first with I have a photo ID card. Over here you have to attach the front and the back of your card and then have to submit check whether is it acceptable or not. For example, I have done the image. I'm just trying to attach it just for the demonstration, and if you are satisfied with the upload of front and back, you can submit the check button. But if in case you don't have the photo ID card, you'll have to select the second option. Once you click on it, you will reach on this page. Now the another way to verify your institution is through a supporting document. Now this supporting documents can be anything which has the above three mentioned points. Supporting document should have an expiry date, it should have your name, and should also have the name of the institution. If you have such supporting document, you simply attach and submit it. So this is how you can submit all your details, and then finally you will be registered. As I have seen in other videos where people shared the registration process, they told that we will receive an email. So ये प्रोसेस कंप्लीट करने के बाद मैंने भी वेट किया कि मुझे ईमेल आएगा, बट मुझे कोई ईमेल नहीं आया. तो मैंने अराउंड 30 मिनट्स के बाद यूनिडेज की साइट पे जाके लॉगिन करने का ट्राई किया, तो मेरा लॉगिन सक्सेसफुल हो गया, विच आई थिंक वॉज एन इंडिकेशन कि मेरा रजिस्ट्रेशन प्रोसेस वेरीफाई हो चुका है. सो अगर आपका रजिस्ट्रेशन प्रोसेस वेरीफाई हो जाता है, and if you click on the link which is mentioned in the description, so you will be directed to this page. If your browser has already the details, you just click and you will be directed directly to the Apple Education Store. If you can see in this screen, on the top left corner you have Education Store Home. So this is the indication you are on the Apple Education Store, and the products which will be discounted will be mentioned with their discounted price, as you can see. So as we want to go for Mac Mini, we will click on Mac Mini. The base price starts from 58,410. Now it has two options for M1 chip. The two variants are on the basis of storage, and the third is the Intel based Mac Mini. So I want to go with the base model. I have the memory option. First of all, if I choose 16 GB, so I'll have to pay extra 18,000 rupees. On this discounted store, the price you are paying for extra 8 GB of unified memory is 18,000, while the same price from Apple official store is 20,000 rupees. So as you can see, Apple offers 10% of discount on all the pricings, whether it is the base price of Mac Mini itself or the price of further customizations. As you can see, you will get only two things in the box. One is the Mac Mini itself, another is the power cable. After this, you have to click add to back. The price it is showing is 76,410 rupees. If you want more accessories, you can buy from here. Once you reach your bag, you can see all the details and check the specs again, check the pricing, and if everything is all right, you can simply click on the checkout button and do the final checkout. The person paying for the checkout need not necessarily be the person in whose name you have used your student identity. If you want to see the precise timings of the delivery, then you can enter your PIN code. Generally, the time it takes after placing the order is about 3 to 4 weeks. Once you find everything is alright, simply click checkout, you fill in your payment details, and that's it. So friends, this is the procedure you need to follow so as to avail the student discount. I got 10% discount when compared to the price as offered on Apple Store. I hope this video was helpful for you. This is your TechTuber Rahul. I'll see you in my next video. Take care.